What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly because like I said, we don't really use this chainsaw this often because you can tell it's definitely what you expected this thing. We don't even use this machine this often, you can see, because this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing is because like I said, we don't really use this thing this often because you can tell we expected this thing. This is a 2022 model, so this is a release of 2022, which this is the one that you can tell that they came out and since I was still in school and you can see, but it's time I expected to see, which I know since the fact that it will get used at some point this weekend. I hope at some point this thing will get used, if it's here or if in this month or next month, I don't know exactly, which I hope at some point this thing will get used. The same thing with it outside the MS-190T and the HT-191 so I hope that both of these will get used this year. Because, I mean, let's just think about it, these guys got to see. Like I said, but three of these chainsaws don't get used as often because, like I said, we don't even use them. But sometimes they get used sometimes a lot. And that's because you can see how much expected this thing, which is, I know since the fact this thing is going to use almost quite a bit. It takes the same battery as a obviously 820, which is definitely how much is very expected this thing. It's pretty much what you expected on this thing exactly, which is definitely how much you expected this thing exactly. And when I expected this thing was going to get used almost right away, but I hope for some way this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I know it's in surprise to say, but this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw.